Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amber. This is About That Mama Life. Hello. And today we're going to be talking about a smaller dip company called Southern Dipped Nails. She was so sweet to send these over to me with a handwritten note. They were packaged so securely, which I totally appreciate. And so today we're just going to swatch them out. I'm going to show you the colors, tell you how they performed, and we're going to do a little giveaway. So stay tuned for that. This first color is called Cosmic Bliss. It is so pretty. This really beautiful deep purple, and it has a lot of glitter in it. Here's the swatch, and this is a one coat swatch, and that's the opacity I got. Look at those glitters. This is a perfect fall color. It's really transitional. You can really pair it with a lot, and I just like it. I think it's really pretty. This one's called Pumpkin Spice, and this one stole my heart. I love everything pumpkin spice, and fall is coming up, and this color was perfect. Pumpkin Spice is a perfect name for it. It is one of these, I don't want to call it a shimmer because it doesn't really have glitter, but it's more of a sheen with a little bit of glitter in it, so maybe it is a shimmer. This one's called Teal Night. Same thing, it's more of a pearlescent sheen, but just a beautiful teal color, and I didn't have anything like this in my collection, so I had to use this color in my mani. It's so pretty. Isn't that beautiful? This one's called Snow Cream. This is what I paired with the teal. It's these chunky glitters and this creamy white base, and the glitters have this fire accent to them, so they catch like reds and oranges in the light, and it is just beautiful. So cute. You gotta love a chunky glitter, right? You just gotta. She also sent me a clear, which I capped all of my nails in the clear and really liked it. Now I have my Dashing Diva nail guards underneath a couple of dips of clear. And if you haven't seen my video on the nail guards, you have to check those out. So I'll link them below. And sneak peek at the dips that I'm going to be putting in my giveaway. Aren't those beautiful? They're giving me all the fall vibes. So stay tuned so you can learn how to win those and take those home. I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I'm not going to show you the entire dip application in this video. I do have videos where I go through my whole application. I will link one of those above here if you want to check them out. I just wanted to put some clips in here of me using the powders so you could see how they performed as I was using them. These are my Virgo and Jim dip liquids. I'm using the base, and we're going to dip into the powder. And check out how buttery and thick and soft that color is. My goodness, it's so pretty. This was really easy to work with. It didn't give me any trouble. It was buttery and soft, just a beautiful color, and I really liked it. So there we are. And I went ahead and did one dip on my whole hand, went through, did a second dip of each color, went through and did a third dip of clear, and then we did some nail art. So here is that beautiful snow cream, and there's my first dip. Now I went ahead and did a second dip, and I'm just pushing the chunky glitters down so they're not standing up. And then I go through and do a cap in clear. And here we are with my 3 dips over my 2 dips of clear. Came out really pretty so far. Look at that white. Very cute. Loving the teal. And now we're going to do some stamping. And I use my Maniology stamping kit. I got a free starter kit, so I will link that video and you can see if they're still giving away a free starter kit and grab one for yourself. Look at that pretty white glitter. I love how the stamping came out. The teal is just beautiful. All in all, I really loved this mani. So thank you to Southern Dipped Nails for sending this over and sponsoring this giveaway. And also check out her Etsy. I'm going to link it below. Go support a small business, a small brand. It really helps, especially in the economy today. And here's what we're going to be doing for the giveaway. So these were giving me all the fall vibes. I had to give them away to one of y'all. You guys just mean everything to me. And so I'm going to continue to do as many giveaways as I possibly can. I'm blessed enough to be able to do this for y'all right now. And so I'm going to continue. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is comment down below. Tell me why you want to enter or why you want to win. And leave me your Instagram handle or your email so I can get a hold of you. And make sure you are subscribed to this channel. I will continue to do giveaways. I've done a giveaway every video over the last few videos. And as my channel grows and gets bigger, then my giveaways will grow and get bigger as well. Because, it's all about subscriber appreciation. And I totally appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.